In a world where drones often mean bulky equipment and complex controls, the HoverAir X1 brings something revolutionary to the table. Imagine a self-flying camera drone that can fit in your cycling jersey pocket and capture high-quality footage of your adventures with ease. That's exactly what the HoverAir X1 promises, and it delivers. Weighing only 125 grams, this ultra-light, foldable drone is designed for portability, making it perfect for cyclists, hikers, or anyone on the move. But don't let its small size fool you, this drone is packed with features. It can record in 2.7K resolution at 30 frames per second and offers 4 autonomous flight modes. These modes allow you to capture smooth, dynamic shots without the need for a controller, letting the drone do all the work while you focus on your activity. The HoverAir X1 is equipped with advanced obstacle detection and avoidance, making it safer to fly even in complex environments like forests or urban settings. Its battery life provides up to 20 minutes of flight time, and the drone comes with a charging case, ensuring you're ready to capture footage wherever you go. One standout feature is its ease of use. Unlike traditional drones that require extensive setup, the HoverAir X1 can be launched directly from your hand. With a simple tap on the companion app, it takes off, follows preset flight paths, and returns to you automatically. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners or those who want hassle-free aerial shots. Overall, the HoverAir X1 is a game-changer for content creators, cyclists, and outdoor enthusiasts looking for a compact, self-flying drone to document their adventures effortlessly.